Dharma theory, a deeper way, and then shunyata. Shunyata comes. Like that. So these things, myself, I think over 30, over 60 years I study and practice, meditate. So need something like, a lesson and discuss. That I hopefully, I think winter time, when you have the sort of available time, then even if I can arrange some scholar who speak Hindi, who speak Thai language. In the 70s, there are few monks. Now they little bit too old, so I don't know now. So unfortunately, you see, that practice sending few Tibetan monks go to Bangkok and enter some Bangkok monastery. So they learn, they speak Thai language. Now eventually discontinue that. So if possible, we should start because renew. We can send some young monk, you see, who can learn Thai language. And anyway, frankly speaking, now time? No problem. So our lunch must start before noon.
Before noon. 1 minute also we can start.
So therefore, frankly speaking, my connection or contact with Christian, even with Muslim, and of course Hindu, you see, more more often than contact with Buddhist. So now, both sides, we need, you see, serious thinking. Firstly, sending some young monk go there, and also already in Dharamsala, one small center, Thai center. So you see, some Thai monk, you see, can study Tibetan. They already study English there. Very good. English is international language. It's useful. In the meantime, some young Thai monk, you see, should start learning Tibetan. And similarly, some young Tibetan monk should have the opportunity to study Thai language in Bangkok or like that. So, you see, we can learn many useful things from Pali tradition. Some Buddha's teaching not available in Sanskrit, the text, only available in Pali language. Similarly, in Sanskrit language, a lot of Buddha's teaching, which not available in Pali tradition. So now we have to carry more research work. Some useful text in Sanskrit tradition not available in Pali tradition, translate. Then those the text available in Pali tradition, not in Sanskrit, should translate Tibetan, like that. So our closer relation and common effort to promote Buddha Dharma in 21st century. Okay. I think essence of Buddha Dharma or message of Buddha is karuna. Now world needs karuna. So therefore, it is our duty as a human being on this planet, is how much our own tradition, how much we can make a contribution for better world, happier world. Not thinking, propagating Buddhism. Let them remain their own tradition. But how much we can contribute for them. As far as psychology is concerned, and method, tackle, or emotion is concerned, in Buddhism, a lot of information there. In theistic religion, nothing, just a faith. So we can make significant contribution regarding inner peace, irrespective whether believer or non-believer, as a sort of academic subject. For I usually use it telling the hygiene of emotion. Hygiene of physical, we study in a modern education field. Now we need hygiene of emotion. That is available only in Buddhist tradition.